Welcome to this GAT Labs how-to. Today we'll be covering how to silently view Google Drive files from any Google Workspace user across your domain. Please note, this feature requires the use of GAT Unlock. Ensure you have enabled GAT Unlock and have set a designated security officer before proceeding. To view Drive files, we'll need to make use of the File Content Search area of the GAT Plus tool. You can access this area by going to the Drive Audit section and selecting File Content Search at the top. The File Content Search feature can identify the contents of documents. It allows admins and delegated auditors to use words or sentences to search through all of the files across your domain and return documents that contain them. For this example, I've created a query for the text private and confidential. I've also made sure to place my sentence within quotes. By clicking the drop-down icon in the query field, we can view previous queries we've already made as well as helpful search tips. Since I'm searching for a specific sentence, I will make sure to check full text only. Next, I can choose the user or group that I wish to search the files of. By leaving a / in the OU field, I can search the entire domain and also include sub-OUs by checking the box underneath. Once you've filled in your query, click the Search Files button. Please note that it may take some time for the search to complete depending on the search parameters you use, as well as the number of files in your domain. Here I have my results. These files contain the sentence private and confidential. We can select these files by clicking the checkmark next to them. Now click the File Operations button and from the list, select Create New Access Request. In the pop-up window, you'll be prompted to request a period of time where you would like to have access to these files. You may also leave a message explaining the purpose of your request. Once ready, select Send Request. Your request will then be sent to your GAT Unlock security officer for approval. With this two-party approval system, you can ensure that your domain's files will only ever be accessed safely and with the knowledge of at least 2 members of the organization. Once approved, you can return to the File Content Search area and select Previous Searches. Now select your search by clicking the checkmark. You may now notice that there will be a lock icon under the Actions column. By clicking the lock icon, you can now select between downloading the file and showing the file contents. This action will remain silent as a carbon copy of the selected file will be opened, and the end user will not see that their file was accessed. That covers this GAT Unlock how-to. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a 15-day free trial of GAT Plus by visiting our website at gatlabs.com.